I'd like to welcome Bruce Munn, Sales Director from Cornish Industrial Supplies. We've been working with, over the past few months, looking at some exciting sales dashboards. If you could introduce yourself, Bruce.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Bruce Munn, Sales Director at Cornish Industrial Supplies, CIS as we're known. We've been looking at Roveel for a while now. We run Sage 50, which is obviously what we've connected it with, which is one of your specialities, I believe.
Absolutely, yeah.
And we found it very useful because Sage actually, when you get any number of customers or products, can get quite unwieldy. And what in setting budgets, we found Roveel in having our bespoke dashboard, and we're able to pull through targets for our customers, which otherwise we were struggling to pin down.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which mean basically we're flying blind.
Yeah, brilliant. So as a first for us, we worked with CIS to do an Excel import straight into Roveel of all of the targets by customer. And we can also do by product category and by product as well. But we worked with you on the customer, and it was a spreadsheet, much like the Sage import files, wasn't it, that you needed to sort of complete, and then imported it in.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, we did most of the work in getting the figures, and then couldn't really see it because Sage couldn't give it to us in terms of how we were tracking against it. So this enabled us to see whether, setting budgets, it enabled us to see whether we were ahead or behind, or where we're needing to focus our efforts to make sure we stayed on track with any one customer at any point. Yeah.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Thank you very much for your time, Bruce. Really appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.